Hi everyone, welcome to my channel RDV. So we will now start Cisco Identity Service Engine. So I will just describe a little bit more from the server console. So just hit start. I'm just logging to the server. Yeah, so it is already logged in. I have already logged in a little bit earlier, so I'm just log out and log in again so that you can see. Okay, so the main console looks like this: Identity Service Engine, Cisco ISE. So this is my username and I have already set the password and I am logging with the Active Directory. So it's getting login. So before starting, I just want to clear that no any resources from the IT cannot get like this access. So it is mandatory to get access from the Cisco team first, so that they can perform any troubleshooting or any steps. It is the compliance part. Okay, accept and close. So the server console of Cisco looks like this. And before starting the demo, just I want to first clarify what is this. So Cisco Identity Services Engine ISE is a network administration product that enables the creation and enforcement of security. The domain is security and the access policies of endpoint devices connected to the company's routers and switches. So, and the purpose is to simplify identity management across diverse devices and applications. The main point is this: the purpose is to simplify identity management across diverse devices and applications. And ICE is a component of Cisco's borderless networking and the company's trusted product line. Okay. You can also go to the Cisco official website. Okay. So you can check from your own without wasting the time. I'm just going to the demo. Okay. So the console looks like this, and from here you can check any endpoint devices within a local network on a WAN which is connected to the Cisco portal. Like if I am connected to the VPN, is my office network VPN. I am working on it. Okay, so if I'm just giving more details. So like I'm opening the CMD. So this is my host name, and I will check IP of my laptop, which is currently assigning. So now I am in VPN, so my IP will be 10.136.7.130. Okay, so now I am checking from the Cisco server that which IP I am getting and the MAC ID. Okay, so you can check from the some other parameter like host name, user ID or MAC ID. So I am checking from the user ID. So this is the very easiest way. So it will like so. Yeah, okay. So the result authorization profile is HCL GIT VPN Reddit. Okay, so I am connected to the HCL VPN as showing there. Yeah, this is vpn.2hcl.com. Okay, so now the second is it will show the endpoint profile, which is Windows 10 work, and yeah, like this. And if this authentication get failed, then it will show the reason is there. So authentication against the Redis token server failed. On the first time while I was logging, the authorization got failed due to wrong passcode. Okay, the third is identity group. This is the workstation and like how I got login. I have got login from the RSA token. It is showing this identity store, and another is location. So it will show my network is connected to the which location, or from the brief. So it is showing like all location India, Bangalore, Chigani and Tower 1. So this is the path of the network accessing I am. Okay, and the next is network devices which is connected. Like this VPN is routing to the which network. So it's connecting to the Bangalore RVPN and FN, and IP is a 332. Is this the main IP? Okay. So next is network device type. It will also the same. It ASA VPN. I am not in the office network, so I am connected in the VPN. So it will show my Windows version, Windows 10 Enterprise 64-bit, and it will show posture compliant. Posture status, is my laptop compliant or not? So it is showing as it is compliant. Means all the parameters are presented. Like it will show here. I will refresh it. After some time, it will show all like available. Minimizing it, and this is showing as 1 connected, 4 disconnected, and total 5 times. Like I have tried 5 times to connect to the HCL VPN, and 4 times disconnected, 1 time connected due to the some minor issue, or like a password or sometime non-compliant. So that's why. Okay, so this is my MAC ID, and this is IP address. If I will click on it, it will show the all details. It is taking time. Yeah, like this. From the starting to the end, it will show like this. Okay, the time and date is everything, 20 August of 9 p.m. Okay, so it will show like that all details. It will show also endpoint details. Endpoint details is source timestamp. It's now 20 of August 2023, like 11 p.m. 11:25 p.m. Okay, receive timestamps, and policy server is which, like there are some lots of policy server are located in the Noida and Bangalore. Okay, so it is ISE Sage NSZ PSN2. I am currently connected to this. Okay, and event is 5236 authorized only succeeded. So when another team will get this check, he can like verify my from this ID. So my endpoint ID is this. This is my MAC ID. This will be my Windows version, and authorize only. It is the authentication method. And network devices is this. I already showed on the earlier Bangalore RVPN FW. IP is this. Okay. So and all devices type is this. So basically it will show like this, and connecting to the IP version 4. So I am showing from this. Posture status is pending again. And if you want to export the result to send the log to the Cisco team, so there you can export from there. And one more thing also, there it is the main bar. Here you can check the total endpoint is 1598. It is currently in the presented, and active endpoint is 120 because it's night, so there low less number of resources are currently working in VPN. And it is the authentication, so it will show like brief. If I click on it, it will open another portion. It's not opening now, taking time. Yeah, now it's open. Network devices. Yeah, so it is open now. Device type, all device type, HCL wireless and Aruba. Okay. Inactive endpoint is this. Last activity days by days. It shows like this. Authentication status is connected 13.28% and disconnected is in 38.72%. Okay, authentication is in this graph. You can check on the more detail. If you click on like this portion or this portion or this portion, it will just describe in the more bit. Okay, so this is the all MAC ID address which is connected. If you I will found with the user ID, then I can get from this, and there is like IP is showing which is in active mode. Most of the like client and resources are in offline mode. Just wanted to test something. If I am putting my host name, okay, this is my host name, and I'm putting to the main. It's like not founding. I think I have deleted my host name recently, so not able to find out. Okay, if I will find by MAC ID. So this portion is the vulnerability for total vulnerability is 0 as of now. So no data is showing here. If might be there is some vulnerability found, then it will be showing in here. And this is the thread watch list in 1 week, 3 week, 24 hour, or 3 months like that. It will show on to here. And live logs will be captured from this radius. I think compliance, okay. Yeah, okay. So it's a compliance status. 8.26 is a compliant percent, approximately it is taking as 9, and 91 is unknown. It will like fetch when the users will be connected to the network. And these all are the like some capable. Okay, user ID is this, IP address is this, location is this, endpoint ID, OS type, compliance. This is all are compliant. And the location it will show like India, Chennai, and Geo America. It is connected on the US. I guess it is in Geo. Okay, so let us check on the more detail. Which one is good? Okay, checking for this. This is the MAC ID. If you click on that, so this is the user ID. Endpoint name is unknown. Currently IP address is known. It means it is not in the office network or as well as on VPN, so it is not showing the exact detail. So the MAC ID of his laptop is showing that like this, and his sitting location is this. As of now, I'm clearing filter. And one more thing, if you want to like create your own subject, like it is vulnerability I have created. If you want you work like a penetration testing or anything, or want to create a group or some new policy, then you can create from it like anything group new policy like that. So you can create and add the host name here, and that will be added to the this. Okay, so Cisco ISE allow you to control not only the type of devices connecting you to network, but also allow you to control the compliance of the device connecting. So that is what I try to show on the server level. Okay, so this is all the basic level from the Cisco ISE server, and you can, if you want to troubleshoot more, then you have to get the access for this. So but for the initial state you can learn from the Cisco website. Okay, so some courses are free in this. I will provide on the description box. Okay, so this is cisco.com. Yeah, so there are lots of some courses are free providable, so you can learn from that also. So I am stopping here. Have a nice day.